Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I'll be talking about the transformer architecture. The architecture in which was being used in order to build large language models. Okay, so behind the scenes of all the AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, you can name anything. It's all based on an architecture called transformer architecture. Now at first, the paper was released in 2017 with a title called Attention is All You Need. Now, the paper was released by Google. DeepMind. Okay. Now researchers from the Google DeepMind, they released a paper called Attention is All You Need. And that particular paper, all the foundation of the modern large language models, which became the foundation for all the modern large language models. So now let's talk about this. What does it mean by attention? So like before the transformer architecture, we used to have architectures like LSTM, long short-term memory. Okay, so what used to happen? What used to happen was that people we used like the input that people were giving to the AI models were being processed one at a time. For example, if I give I live in Nepal. So if I give this particular sentence, then the AI model will process it one by one, not all at once. Okay, so it will first take I, then second live, the third one will be in, and the fourth one will be Nepal. It's a very slow and time-consuming process. Now this particular thing was replaced by the transformer architecture, which used to take the whole context at once. That means the whole sentence was taken at once and being processed by the LLM at once. Okay. Now, instead of taking it one at a time, it processed it all at once. So this is known as the transformer architecture. This is what the difference. Okay. So there comes a concept like encoder and decoder. Okay, encoder and decoder. The first one is encoder and the second one is decoder. So what happens in encoder is we do give input to the LLM, to the AI. Okay, it does all its. It tries to find all the things. We try to give the context to the model, and after giving the context to the process of giving the context to the model is known as encoder, and the second one is decoder. Now, when the input is being given to the AI, it has to be decoded. The output has to come there. For that, it tries to take all the context. It tries to examine which is the most necessary part to focus on. So it focuses on the more the necessary part and examines it and tries to give a context-rich output to the users, which is known as decoder. The first one is encoder and the second one is decoder. Now with the development of this overall architecture, it became possible to train the models with a vast amount of data. With a vast amount of data, training was possible. With the development, with the innovation of this particular architecture. Now this was the development. Now this is the particular paper, research paper, that completely changed how people use how the AI models started working. Thank you.